This is Get Prepared with Augason Farms. Here's your host, Augason Farms President, Nathan Yearsley.
I'm Nathan Yearsley, President of Emergency Preparedness Food Provider, Augason Farms. And together with the Family Channel and Heartland, we want to help you and your family get prepared. When an unforeseen event arrives and your family's decision is to go rather than shelter in place, there is a tool that can be indispensable to you and yours. We call it a go bag. A go bag empowers you to leave quickly with the essentials in place. It's essential that you pack your go bag in advance, now, before you need it. Here's what we recommend should go in a go bag. First, 3 days of food and water. Next up, a first aid kit. Then pack in a flashlight and a radio, followed by hygiene items. And last, but certainly not least, important documents, cash, and extra clothes. Of course, these are general items that all families should pack into their go bags. Now let's customize your go bag. Add prescription meds, baby items, pet food, glasses, even comfort items like a deck of cards. And when it comes to placing your go bag, location matters. Keep one at home, another in your car, and even one more at work if you can. If you need more gear than one bag can hold to cover everyone in your family, add a sling pack so that another family member can carry it. Or have each family member pack their own go bag to ensure that everyone is prepared at all times. Emergencies and disasters can happen at any time, and you should always be prepared to pick up and go when you need to. A go bag is the best way to do that. Come on, let's get prepared.
For more information or to have Augason Farms meals, fruits, vegetables, egg, dairy, and dessert products delivered to your home, visit AugasonFarms.com.